Thank you.
Thank you very much. Sri Ram Jethmalani. 4 minutes.
Mr. Chairperson, sir.
4 minutes.
Sir, first of all, I wish to make a strong protest against this 4 minutes theory. All persons who have spoken have decided in a private agreement not to oppose this bill. I am the only person in this house who is opposing the bill, and I must get all the time that all these members have taken. And sir, I at least request that I am the lone person in this country who has been fighting for black money for the last 10 years all alone. No help from any quarter. And it is time that this house sat and heard me for a while. If you insist on this 4 minutes rule, I think you are making a joke of the proceedings of this house, and I will walk out. Take the sense of the house.
Sir, it's very unfortunate. The honorable member is challenging the decision of the chair. It's very unfortunate.
Okay. Now please speak. Your joke, see, that is expense. Making a joke of this house is expense.
Sir, I am sorry.
No, please. Now, see,
Sir,
Ram Jethmalani, my problem is, see, my problem is you are categorized in the Adesh category. For Adesh category, 5 members are to
sir,
speak.
a whole party has told you that I am also speaking for them.
No, that is a different matter. Chair,
But
see,
it is a matter which you must take cognizance
no,
of.
I know that. But for chair, everybody is, see.
And sir,
No, please. No, you don't guide me. You need not guide me. I know what to do. Don't guide me. I know what to do. No, yes. I don't need your advice for that. Now, Ram Jethmalani, I have to explain to him. He is a very senior, honorable member. If he has raised a pertinent point, I have to explain to him. Ram Jethmalani ji, you are a very senior, learned member, you are a lawyer. But my problem is, time is according to the party. You are categorized in Adesh. Total time
sir,
for
I
others is
belong
15
to no
minutes.
party.
That's what I am saying.
I am an expelled member of the party.
That's what I am saying. Therefore, as per rule, you can get only 4 minutes. Take 1 or 2 minutes more. Now you
Sir,
start.
I am sorry.
Now you
I
start.
require at least 20 minutes.
I am
If you
unable.
give me 20 minutes,
I
I
am
will
unable
speak.
to allow.
Otherwise, I'll walk out. That's all.
Now you please speak. Speak. Start kar diye.
All right.
You exhausted your time and advising me. What is this kind of thing?
Sir,
Yes. You start now.
every
Start now. Start now,
every
please.
poor country of the world
Zero karo.
is worried about the disaster which every country has suffered as a result of black money. And the United Nations of all the organizations in the world decided from 2000 to break these laws of bank secrecy which are preventing the discovery of black money. And the United Nations started work on it in the year 2000, and I have been carefully watching the movement in the United Nations as to how this black money is to be brought back. After 4 years of deliberation, the United Nations evolved a convention, United Nations Convention Against Corruption. The main object of this convention was to defeat what the banks called in tax havens the customer confidentiality laws. The whole convention has been passed with that object, that the banks which have been providing protection to these rascals and these dacoits from all over the world, they should now be robbed of that protection. The United Nations passed its convention in 2004. We did not give any assistance in the bringing about of this convention, nor did some poor countries because those countries were also ruled by governments which did not want black money to be brought back, because my friends are right that it is not as if only politicians are involved. There are a large number of people in every society who are involved in the generation of black money and the hoarding of black money. Sir, with this background of the United Nations Convention, the Germans took the first lead. They wanted to break the Swiss bank secrecy laws, and the German government paid $475 million bribe to an employee of the Liechtenstein Bank and managed to get 1,400 names of international thugs. I call them international thugs because they have stolen money from the poor people of all those nations and put that money in those banks. Sir, the 1,400 names were examined by the Swiss Bankers Association. The Swiss Bankers Association reported that amongst the 1,400 names, the majority of the names are Indians. I want to ask those who are today ruling the country and those who have ruled the country for the last 20, 15 years, what did you do when you came to know of this most disgraceful fact that the majority of persons who have stolen money and in that Swiss bank of Liechtenstein alone? Sir, nobody went from here. Nobody. And though the government of India at least signed that convention in 2005, under the United Nations regulations, a convention does not become binding merely by signature. You have to put in a document called the document of ratification. We did not put the document of ratification till late in the year 2011, that under circumstances which I will point out how it happened. Sir, the Germans then made a public announcement through, sir, I forget the name, Adel Thorstein was some kind of a name. The German government officially made an announcement that we have got the names of these people from all over the world. Any government which wants to have those names is free to ask for those names. We will give the names without cost, without condition. Not one person from India, whether the ruling party then or the ruling party now, took the trouble of going to the Germans. But Ram Jethmalani went there. Sir, I was told that there is no demand from India. And sir, they said, I told the Germans, I said, India is a democracy. You don't have to look merely to the ruling government. There is an opposition in every country. You have duties to the opposition in the country and you have to give the names. Sir, the Germans said, yes, Mr. Jethmalani, you are right. You are right in your argument. We owe a duty, an international duty to the opposition parties in the countries. And you go back and please only tell your opposition people who are fighting them. At that time, sir, almost the government of the elections were almost coming. Sir, I came back to this country, sent a confirming letter to the Germans that you have made this promise, and to my people, to the party to which I belong, I wrote them 1 2-line letter that yes, Mr. German Chancellor, you have made this promise to Mr. Jethmalani. Mr. Jethmalani is acting on behalf of the people of India. Please give us this information. Sir, I have asked political leaders in this party, and I am ashamed to say that they did not sign the 2-line letter and give it to me so that I should be able to give to the Germans. Sir, therefore, I make no difference between any section of this house. Nobody has supported me. That is why I went to the court in 2009. Why did I go to the 2009? Why did I go to the court? Because I found that nobody was willing even to accept this German offer that we are willing to give you. Don't apply under any treaty. Don't apply under the UN Convention. We have got these names. We are willing to share it. And sir, I must tell you that the election results in this country were generated in the manner in which the election results came. They came because mainly
Time.
a promise was, sir, please, for God's sake, listen for God's sake.
No. Please, time is over. Your time is over. Now, please conclude.
But
Please conclude.
sir,
Please conclude.
the promises were made to the people. Now those promises are being ridiculed. Yes, our leaders did make a statement that money will be brought back and shared and will be put into the bank accounts of the poor people of this country, because at least it was realized that this money belongs to the poor people and it must be shared with them. Sir,
Now you
Sir.
conclude. Please conclude.
sir,
Please.
Sir, let me now tell you that though during the course, sir, what does it cost if you sit for another 15-20 minutes? What does it cost?
No, we have to.
Sir, it's a too
No,
important matter. The
Before
people
5:30 we
must
have
know
to-
the truth.
No. It is already decided before 5:30 we have to close it.
Sir, please explain
And-
this.
He has only 4 minutes. That you should know. Why did not you sacrifice your time? Jairam Ramesh, your party could have sacrificed time for him. How can I know? I have to go by rules. Okay. Try to conclude, please. Try to conclude, please.
को लोकसभा भी जाना है
या।
और सभी माननीय सदस्यों के साथ सहमति बनी कि 5:30
5:30
बजे तक
या।
हम इसे खत्म करेंगे, इंक्लूडिंग द रिप्लाई
Sir,
ऑफ द
या।
ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर।
5:15
अब उसके
reply we
बाद
have
जो है,
decided.
अगर लगातार बोलना
Sir,
है
I-
तो ठीक है,
I
आप 2
am
दिन
going
सेशन
to
बढ़ा
cut
करके
it
हम
short,
पूरा इनको
cut
2
it
दिन दीजिए
short.
बोलने के लिए।
But give me now
ये
a
कोई
few minutes.
सर सारे मेंबर्स को 2 मिनट 3 मिनट दिया जा रहा है, तो कम से कम इतना तो
Sir, please understand
No, please.
that
Now please conclude.
Now let me tell you why I oppose the bill. I oppose the bill for the simple reason that an imperative clause of this bill should have been that all the monies which are stashed in foreign banks and in respect of which no disclosure has been made so far shall by operation of Indian law vest in the government of India. That is a familiar provision to make. It has been made in other countries. It was made even when the Bhopal tragedy took
Okay, you
place.
could have moved an amendment like that.
Sir, I
Okay.
drafted the bill.
Now you conclude, please.
I have drafted the bill. I sent it to the government as far back as
Now,
November.
please.
And
Okay.
that bill was wholly dropped.
Okay, please.
Sir, I must
You
tell
made your
you,
point. Please,
I
now
must tell you now.
Now please conclude.
Sir, kindly allow me for
No, please.
4 minutes now.
No, please.
Sir,
How can I allow you alone?
now kindly understand. Understand, sir, what happened. What has happened is that the leader of the political party now, the president of the BJP, has
No
officially
personal allegation.
gone and
No
gone.
personal allegation.
Sir,
No
listen,
personal allegation. Expense.
Listen.
No personal allegation. That, see, Ramdev Malani, please. That,
Sir, the president
that
of
day
the
we
party
suspense.
has-
See, Mr. Ramdev Malani, please.
from last
Mr.
20
Ram,
minutes is
no, please, Mr. Ramdev Malani, no, please. You cannot level an allegation against a person when you
Sir,
say
I
the
can't
political
rely
leader, it
upon
is clear.
the official
So that is
declaration
expense.
by the
But
party.
listen, see, everybody is given 4 minutes in that category. You have now taken 10 minutes. Now I can't allow this.
But please
stop.
understand, what is he going to reply
Please
to?
stop.
Because
I'll have
everybody
to.
supported
No,
the bill.
please stop. I request you, please stop.
All right.
That's enough. Please stop. I think no.
Sir.
Please stop.
shockingly.
No, take your seat.
Sir, you
No,
can't-
please.
You
No,
can't
Ramjulani,
discuss the most
you
important part
see,
of the speech.
you know rule, Mr.
You have to
Ramjulani,
listen.
you know rules are equal
Please
for
call
everybody.
another
See,
speaker.
see,
Before
you,
speaker
be-
left.
you believe in the equality of
I'm
law.
sorry.
No,
He
sit
is
down.
killing all.
You are one.
Time of the
No,
other
please.
speakers.
Now, Mr. Ramjulani, you are one who believes in the equality of law. Rules are equal for everybody.
Kindly allow
So
me
how
to
can I allow
complete
you
my
like this?
paragraph.
No, please stop.
No, you.
Please stop, please stop. Otherwise,
I'm
I'll have to
sorry.
say nothing will
I
go on
join-
record.
I will.
No, please. Please stop. Rules are equal for everybody. Please stop. I cannot allow you much more time, please. Please. Please, please. Expunge. Expunge kar di. No, please.
He has been expelled from the party. Don't. He has said openly he has been expelled from my party. And now don't allow this debate to become a personal vilification
Yeah,
campaign.
that, I have expunged all those
Personal
remarks.
vilification campaign is
All
right now.
personal remarks I have expunged.
It's unacceptable, absolutely.
No, please stop. No, please stop. Please, Ram Jajmalani, please, I request you, please obey the chair. You made your point. Please obey the chair. No, I am requesting you, please. I'll have to say nothing goes on record. Don't make me say that. Don't make me say that. You sit down. Please. Don't make personal allegation. Why do you make personal allegation? This is not for that.
Sir, please call next speaker. Please call next speaker.
Yeah. Okay. All right, that's all. Now take your seat. Now take your seat. Nothing more will go on record. Now take your seat. Nothing more will go on record. Nothing more will go on record. Now take your seat. Okay, you have taken 10 minutes. Nothing will go on record. Nothing is going on record.